Let's make my cheddar jalapeno cornbread. These are very good.
Like most of you, I really don't follow recipes when I cook, but for baking, it's a must. I always say, cooking is art, baking is science. So let's grab a bowl and get started on our cheddar jalapeno cornbread. I use 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, that's 1, 2, and 3. And 1 cup of cornmeal. Make sure it's cornmeal and not corn masa. I use a 1/4 cup of sugar. It used to be a 1/2 cup of sugar. Modify for your taste. 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2, and 2 teaspoons of salt. I use kosher salt, less sodium. Now sift the dry ingredients with a whisk. I find that a whisk is the fastest tool. Now for the wet ingredients. 2 cups of milk. I use plant-based. Use what you like. 3 large eggs. Be sure to scramble them first. And 2 sticks of melted butter. This is plant-based too. Now I switch to a silicone spatula and incorporate the wet and dry ingredients. Make sure you scrape the bottom and the sides of the bowl. I usually add orange zest to this recipe, so I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of orange juice since I have no oranges. This will give it a nice bright citrus flavor. Just be sure it's all mixed in well. It should have the look and feel of a fresh masa. Now we have to add our other ingredients. So instead of just cheddar, I'm going to add a cheddar Mexican mix. This one's cheddar, Monterey Jack, and asadero. But if you have just 1 cheese, make it cheddar. Fold that in. I usually add fresh roasted corn. I didn't have any, so I used 1 can of corn. But I did have a fresh jalapeno. The heat lives in the membrane and the seeds, so be sure to remove those. However, we don't find jalapenos too hot, and they're pretty low on the heat index scale. So I remove the membrane, most of the seeds, and slice the jalapeno into strips. Then I give it a small dice. After all, you can't have cheddar jalapeno cornbread without jalapenos. Remember not to touch your eyes, face, nor privates. You will be singing hallelujah. Okay, so mix in your corn kernels and your diced jalapenos. Then I pour my cheddar jalapeno cornbread mixture onto a buttered 9x13 pan. Smooth out the top. This looks so good. Then I add more cheese on top. This will give it a nice crust. And I think I'm going to add a sprinkling of hot pepper flakes, just to make it a touch more spicy. Don't worry. This savory cornbread is going to have a sweetness, a touch of spice, and cheesy goodness. Place it in your preheated oven at 375 for about 50 minutes. Take it out and cover it with a dish towel. Let it rest for about 10-15 minutes. And there you have it, a savory sweet cornbread that you can eat with just about anything or on its own. Cut around the sides to release, down the middle, and I'm going to go in for that first taste. Now you really should let this cool more, but I just can't wait. Ooh, it's hot, it's steamy. Ooh, here we go. Look at that. Cheddar jalapeno cornbread. Great on its own or as a complement to chicken, pork, or seafood dishes.
Look at this. Ooh. Let this cool. Mmm. Mmm. It's not too sweet. It's not too savory. You can taste the corn. The jalapeno lightly hits you in the back with that little heat. Not too much. You can taste the orange, the flecks of pepper flakes. Mmm. Ooh. Mmm. That whole kernel of corn has a bright flavor to it. And the cheese. Don't forget the cheese. You have to make this recipe. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Check out more food and travel recipes on Life with HLuiz. Goodbye.